We are pleased to show you the 2019 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.